The Auto folding scooter is the most stylish, foldable scooter and is the smartest and safest solution for anyone with limited mobility. Auto empowers you to move and travel independently while giving you the confidence that comes with a great-looking essential vehicle. The Auto is equipped with large 8-inch rear wheels and an optional add-on seat cushion and phone holder, as well as 2 ways to charge your Auto, on the scooter or directly to your Airline-friendly battery pack. With a few easy steps, you can fold and unfold your Auto in seconds. With the option to easily split the scooter into 2 pieces for easy stowage into your vehicle's trunk or to simply stow away in your closet. The Auto features a 220-pound weight capacity, a top speed of 4 miles per hour, and an incredible driving range of up to 12 miles per charge. Call AutoMobility store today to order your Auto Airline approved folding scooter and receive free shipping